Hi Ian, it's Mark here from Turbo Packs. We've just done a Hydroflow for you on your Volkswagen outside. You had a DPF light on and you had the engine management light on. When we checked it, you had an intermittent, very badly sticking EGR. We checked your DPF, totally blocked is 50 grams, yours was 64. We've managed to Hydroflow it and free off the EGR without taking it off. And I've shown you're back down to 5 grams. You've been for a test drive. Over to you.
Absolutely brilliant. I've had the car now for 3 years. It never felt that good when it was 3 years old. It feels just like a brand new car. Mm-hmm. And it's just amazing. The acceleration on it is just absolutely amazing.
So you can actually feel the difference between
throwing you back into your seat when you put your foot down in third gear. It's nearly ended up in the back seat.
Fantastic.
It's absolutely brilliant.
Fantastic. Recommend us?
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
I'll be back.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Cheers.
You.